Hey guys, it's Cassie. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. So I am just coming in really quick to show you guys the process of my hair on how I go from straight to curly back to straight using the product line that I received from naturallycurly.com and also Creme Nature, which is the straight from Eden line. So I'm super excited for you guys to see my process and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. So now I'm going to wash and condition my hair using the Creme Nature straight from Eden line. So this is my hair. I washed my hair using the shampoo and now I have the conditioner in. And I read the back of the conditioner. It says you're supposed to leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been in my hair probably about 15 minutes now. So I just wanted to show you guys my curls are back. My hair is so short because I trim, well, my cut basically, it wasn't a trim. So yeah, but I love how my ends feel and how my curls just come to a complete end. There's no straggly ends or anything. So my hair is very soft. My hair really isn't tangled because it was straightened, so I don't really have too many tangles. So basically, I'm just going to keep running my fingers through it and finger detangle. So the Straight from Eden Hydrating Shampoo was absolutely amazeballs. Like, it didn't even feel like a shampoo. Like, I had to keep reading the bottle to make sure that I was putting a shampoo in my hair. It did give me a lather, but it felt like a co-wash. But it had a nice lather to it, but my hair was so soft. It did not strip my hair whatsoever. And the conditioning treatment is what I have in my hair right now, and I love the way it feels. I think it will be a great detangler, but right now my hair isn't very tangled because I'm coming straight from a flat iron wash and my hair is just so soft. That's why I keep touching it. But as you guys can see, I have no heat damage. My curls are springy and popping as they usually do, and right now they're weighed down because I have conditioner in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this stuff out, and then I will come back and show you guys my naked hair before I start the rest of the process on my hair. Alright, see you in the blink of an eye. Alright guys, so I just washed out the Straight from Eden conditioning treatment. My hair feels really soft right now. As you guys can see, the curls are popping, which we love. And yeah, my hair feels really good. Really good. Now I'm gonna take the Straight from Eden Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm gonna take this leave-in conditioner. Basically what the bottle says is shake it up really good to blend everything together. And then you're just gonna wanna apply it to damp hair and comb. So I'll be back, tell you guys how I like it. So my quick review on the detangling spray. I do not like it. It does not give me enough slip to detangle my texture of hair. I do think it will work nice. It's just like a spray leave-in conditioner because it does feel, moisturizing, but it's not a detangler for my texture of hair. So I did try to detangle this section as much as I could using the spray, but to get my hair thoroughly detangled, which I need for what style I'm about to achieve, that product is a no-go. Alright you guys, so I'm back and I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like after I pin curl it at night. This is actually the third day pin curling. Like I said, all I do is pin curl at night, and it keeps the curls, you know, lightly comb through it, and then go ahead and do my pin curl process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Also, I want to say thank you so much naturallycurly.com and also Creme Nature for sending me the product line to do a review. And I love the products, everything about it. 2 thumbs up for me, besides the leave-in conditioner spray. It just didn't work out for me that well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys much. Mwah. Bye, loves.